Everybody, my name is Ankit Singh Bahura and I am a student of English Mania. Today I am in the discussion with Mr. Deepak Jain, and now I am going to ask some proverbs with Mr. Jain. So Mr. Jain, my first proverb is a guilty conscience is always suspicious. Can you please tell me about this proverb with a certain example?
A guilty conscience is always suspicious.
Yes, sir.
Right? I am repeating the proverb. A guilty conscience is always suspicious. Fine. If I translate this proverb in Hindi, it means चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका. और या फिर अगर आपने कोई गलत काम किया है तो आप डरे डरे और सहमे सहमे रहते हो. आपकी शक्ल अलग से ही पता चल जाती है कि आपने कुछ गलत किया है. ओके, योर फेस विल बी पेल्ड. फाइन. So that is the meaning of this proverb. Guilty conscience is always suspicious, or you can say guilty conscience is always suspicious. I am repeating again and again so that you do remember it. Fine.
Okay.
तो देखो इसमें क्या होता है, चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका. It means suppose you have done something wrong in your life. You have committed a mistake, or maybe you have committed theft. Okay, you stole money. After that, when somebody would ask about the money in your family, then actually your face will be paled. And it will be clearly seen on your face that you are the culprit, you are guilty. And suppose somebody has committed robbery and the person is at home and somebody knocks at the door of the person, then the person would be thinking that police has come. Right? Although let's say his father has come, maybe mother has come, but whosoever knocks at the door, then the person would be afraid. Right? Because guilty conscience is always suspicious. So that is why people say that never commit anything wrong, never do anything wrong in your life, so that you can sleep easefully. Right? But let's say if you have committed any sin or anything wrong, you cannot be at ease. You cannot be at ease. Let's say suppose you have some enmity with any person, right? Any spat. So because of that spat, let's say you beat somebody, and after that, after beating the person, and you get back home. After that, let's say somebody tells you that a crowd is coming towards your home. So you would be thinking that person who I had beaten is coming to beat me, and you would be afraid, and there is a possibility you may leave the home and you may run away. Later people just tell you, oh, there was a crowd, they were coming to ask for vote, because the season of election is going on, right? So these people were coming to just ask for vote, and you thought because you had beaten somebody, so you thought that these people are coming to beat me. So guilty conscience is always suspicious, right? So it has been rightly said that guilty conscience is always suspicious. So this is the meaning of this proverb, and this was the explanation, and I also gave you some references on this proverb, right?
Yes.
If you want to discuss any other proverb that is juggling around your mind, you can discuss, please.
Sir, I want to
Speak loud, please. Are you ill?
No, sir.
Then be loud, be
Sir,
energetic.
I want to ask a proverb, and the proverb is that bloom where you are planted.
Okay, the proverb is bloom where you are planted. Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. That's a nice proverb. Bloom means खिलना. Where you are planted, यानी कि जहाँ भी आपको मतलब आपका जो बीज बोया जाता है ना पेड़ का, राइट? या ये कह लो कि जहाँ पे भी पेड़ खिला है ना, जहाँ उगा है, सो उसे वहीं पे ब्लूम करना है. सो ये राइटर एक्चुअली इज आस्किंग यू टू ब्लूम वेयर यू आर प्लांटेड. फाइन. वहीं खिलो जहाँ आप उगे हो, राइट? डोंट चेंज प्लेस टू प्लेस. ओके.
Yes, sir.
So you cannot make excuses in your life. So it means wherever you are born, in whatever the circumstances you are born, you have to succeed in the same circumstances, in the same condition, Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So there is a possibility you may be born in the poor family, or you may be born with a silver spoon in your mouth, and there is a possibility you may be born in a poor family where there is lots of struggle, isn't it? But you have to succeed in, where, in whatever the condition you are born, you have to succeed in the same condition. So that is what I mean, that's why it has been rightly said. Because you know why? Because many people make excuses. Let's say somebody wants to learn English, right? So many people think, बहुत से लोग ऐसा सोचते हैं कि इंग्लिश तभी आती है अगर हमारे आसपास इंग्लिश बोलने का माहौल हो, यानी पड़ोसी इंग्लिश बोलते हों, मम्मी पापा इंग्लिश बोलते हों, भाई बहन बोलते हों, ओके, तभी इंग्लिश आती है। जबकि ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, करने वाला होना चाहिए। बट अ पर्सन कैन लर्न इंग्लिश एनीवेयर इन एनी एटमोसफेयर। पहले अपने आप को देखो, हाउ मेनी चेंजेस कैन यू ब्रिंग इन योर सेल्फ, राइट?
Right.
And one example is here in front of you, that is me, right? When I wanted to learn English, or when I learnt English, there was no atmosphere, there were no circumstances, okay, there were no people to speak in English with, fine. But when I made up my mind, I learnt it, I made command over it, and I'm somehow, I'm comfortable to speak in English. So when I wanted to learn, I didn't actually criticize, or I didn't curse my atmosphere, my surroundings, my environment, or the condition of the family, or my own condition, right?
Yes, sir.
So it has been rightly said, bloom where you are planted. Suppose you want to become a cricketer, you are a boy, right?
Yeah.
Or suppose you want to become a CA. So how is it related? How is it related to your birth? Like, suppose the people who are born in Delhi, only those people can be CA. But the people who are born in Mathura, or even at the outskirts of Mathura, I mean in any village, in the peripheral areas, they cannot become CA. Is it something like that?
No, sir. There is
Although
nothing.
atmosphere will make a difference. Atmosphere will make your target difficult, okay,
Yeah.
sir.
but it will not make your target impossible.
Yes, sir.
Only, when we say na, bloom where you are planted. So I'm not denying the fact some difficulties would be there
Yes, sir.
on the way to success, but your target will not be difficult. It will not be difficult for you to achieve your target.
Yes, sir.
So that is why the writer has rightly said, bloom where you are planted. तो जहाँ आपका जन्म हुआ है, जिन स्थिति में हुआ है, उन्हीं में मेहनत करो, उनको दोष मत दो, कोसो मत उनको, डोंट कर्स देम। जब आप गेम खेलते हो ना ताश के पत्तों का, when you play playing cards, when the cards are shuffled and dealt to you, you have no choice of them, but you have to play. ऐसा नहीं होता ना कि जैसे आपने पत्ते खोले और वो खराब आए तो आप कहते हो मैं नहीं खेल रहा, मैं नहीं खेल रही, राइट? यू डोंट क्विट, you have to play, and you have to play to win, not to lose. You have to put your efforts, right?
Yes, sir.
So this life is also like the game of playing cards,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, sir.
Right.
You have no choices, but you have to grow in the same condition.
It's like a gamble.
Yes, it's like a gamble.
Yeah.
Fine, so don't stop making excuses or behind your failure. Okay, that is what this proverb mean, right?
Right.
Okay, so in this video that is enough. We have discussed 2 proverbs, and we are going to take a short break. After that be ready with some more proverbs, yeah?
Yes.
Whatever the proverb you want to discuss, okay?
Yes, sir.
Today is the day to discuss them, right?
Right.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and it is the nice way to remember the proverbs, and you should use in your language. If you don't use, then you lose, okay?
Okay.
They would be deleted from the memory,
Yes.
right? Okay, that was it. Thank you so much for asking.